Guys, so welcome to my Leetcode solving section, and I already write down the answer. Because this problem is very easy that I only try one time and it's success. Okay, so this problem say that somebody give you array and then you just check whether there are consecutive three odds. Okay, so the first one is if it contains the three consecutive odds number, then you just return true, or otherwise you return false. Okay, so I just create a for loop, and I only because I want to start from I and I plus one, I plus two, so I only run from then say area the array and minus two. Okay, so if sum of I is one, then we just check the consecutive two. And basically, you can combine these two if, but I think it will slow down the code because the first case, so suppose somebody give you this, then you only start to check the first element, which is us. So I think in most cases, this will be the it's like a threshold. So every time you see some odd number, then you only check the rest of two. Okay, now I think and the results what I write is still okay and some faster than 84% and less than this, but I think it's still okay. Yeah. So this is for this video, and be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks.